am most fearful about just cutting my hair. I don't really get haircuts, so I'm used to just having it the same all the time, and this is gonna be something really different. Hi, I'm Chiara, and today I'm getting curtain bangs. But before you see my transformation, subscribe below. So throughout my life, I've pretty much had the same hair. My hair is really straight, and I've been scared of making any changes. I've gone between blonde and brown, so the colors pretty much stay the same. I've been trying to grow my hair out for a really long time, and it's finally at a length that I really like. I really want curtain bangs because I think this is like the cutest hair trend ever. I really want to add some volume and bounce and just make my hair more fun and more sass and attitude. It's pretty just boring right now. It's at one length, so I'm excited for this huge change.
Hi, I'm Aaron Watkins. I'm a cut specialist in Beverly Hills at Salon Kasumi. I've been cutting hair as long as I can remember. I grew up in a salon. I attract a lot of clients who want a drastic change. Somebody going from long hair to short hair. They grow it out and they want a bob, or they want like a lob, or they want to add bangs. So just a lot of drastic changes.
Hi, I'm Aaron. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Aaron. I'm Chiara. Nice to meet you.
Nice, nice. So I hear we're going to be thinking about doing curtain bangs today.
I'm gonna do curtain bangs, yeah.
After we do the consultation, then we're going to have my assistant wash her, and then we'll blow dry it smooth, and then we'll kind of help determine exactly where we want the bangs to sit on her face. And with the curtain bangs, you kind of want to cut it shorter in the middle of the part, and longer out towards the perimeter, where it kind of pushes away from your face to kind of give it more of that curtain sweeping kind of look. When I first get a brand new client in my chair, I always cut the curtain bangs quite a bit longer. I start at the chin, just for the shock value, and then we'll progressively go shorter because we can't put it back on after we cut it short. After you cut the curtain bangs, then you want to kind of like slightly face frame it to blend down to the bangs. You don't want to just have like a short bang and then nothing to connect to the bottom. Kind of like a face frame.
I thought about getting curtain bangs when I saw the trend kind of blossom in midsummer, but I was kind of fearful of doing it. And then I just thought about it a lot, and I was like, okay, I need this change to happen. Quarantine's been so dull. I need to just vamp everything up with my hair.
After we finished the cut, we went through and curled her hair pretty tightly because her hair is so straight, just where it could fall to a nice loose beachy wave. Curtain bangs are going to give a hair like Chiara's more volume around the face and more movement around the face. Curtain bang could be really, really quick. You could be in and out in 15-20 minutes if you have a skilled stylist. But the look can be very, very drastic for something that's really so quick. All right, you can open.
Oh my God. I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I did this. This is so pretty. I love the curtain bangs. They're perfect.
Right.
Thank you so much, Aaron. I love it.
It always feels good to make a client get exactly what they wanted and make them feel good. You know, I was happy for her that she got to get the change that she wanted. Curtain bangs, they can be longer, they also can be shorter, but for her with the long hair, it was gonna work out better with longer curtain bangs.
I am so excited by my new hair. I love it. I never thought that I would be happy with cutting bangs and having my hair this short, but I'm obsessed with it. I literally couldn't be happier. So Aaron actually showed me a couple of ways to maintain this look after he styled my hair, and so I'm gonna get a natural round brush and blow it out so that it flows out like it does right now, every single day. Low maintenance, easy, I can handle that. This look makes me feel so confident. My hair feels so bouncy and fun, and I feel like it has sass and attitude that it didn't have before. Thank you for watching Refinery29. To watch more videos, click here, and to subscribe, click here.